Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled LLMs, AI's super-powered storytellers and problem solvers. Imagine a super smart digital assistant that can write stories, answer complex questions, even help you code. That's a large language model, LLM. Think of it like a highly trained librarian who has read the entire internet and can not only find information but also understand it, summarize it, and even generate new content in human language. They're called large because they're built on massive amounts of text data, and language models because their main job is to understand and generate human language. As a developer, you'll learn to harness this incredible power. As developers, we're used to writing precise, step-by-step instructions. If X, then do Y. LLMs don't work like that. You don't program them with rules for every word or scenario. Instead, you train them by showing them vast amounts of text data. They learn patterns, grammar, facts, and even nuances of human conversation. Similar to how a child learns language by listening and reading. It's less about explicit programming and more about statistical prediction of the next most probable word to generate a coherent response. Picture an LLM as a giant, hungry brain. We feed it an enormous library of books, articles, websites, and conversations, trillions of words. During training, this brain doesn't just memorize. It learns the relationships between words and concepts. For example, it learns that cat often appears near meow or purr, or that president is related to country. It learns sentence structures and common knowledge. So, when you ask it a question, it uses these learned patterns to predict the most sensible and relevant next words to form an answer. It's like it's completing a very sophisticated sentence based on everything it's ever read. So, how do we, as developers, use this superpower? We don't mess with the brain directly. Instead, we use an API, application programming interface, which is like a standardized doorway. We send text prompts, our questions, instructions, or starting sentences. Through this API, the LLM processes our prompt and sends back its generated text as a response. For example, you'd send back prompt. Write a short story about a coding error that saved the world. And the API returns response. In a world of this API-driven interaction makes integrating LLMs into our existing applications straightforward. The applications for LLMs are incredibly diverse. They can generate text, write emails, marketing copy, blog posts, or creative stories, summarize, condense long documents or articles into key bullet points, answer questions, provide factual information or explain complex topics simply, translate, convert text between different human languages, code helper, generate code snippets in various languages, debug errors, or explain complex code. Imagine asking it, how do I connect to a database in Python? And getting working. Commented code. They are becoming powerful tools for boosting developer productivity across many tasks. As a developer, you're not just asking random questions. You're thinking about how to embed LLM capabilities into your software. Want to build a chatbot for customer service? Use an LLM. Need to automatically generate product descriptions for an e-commerce site? Integrate an LLM. The LLM becomes a powerful component, like a database or a payment gateway, that your application can call upon to perform intelligent language tasks. You'll be building applications that understand and generate human language like never before, adding a layer of intelligence that was previously very difficult to achieve. The best way to learn is by doing. Many LLMs are available via public APIs, like OpenAI's GPT series, Google's Gemini, or open source models. Start by playing with their web interfaces, often called playgrounds, to get a feel for how to craft effective prompts. Then, explore their developer documentation. Try sending simple prompts programmatically using a language like Python or JavaScript. Your goal isn't to build an LLM from scratch, but to master the art of prompt engineering and seamlessly integrating these powerful models into your developer toolkit. Get ready to build some truly intelligent applications. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.